A clean evaporator is key to keeping your chiller running efficiently and reliably. Here's a quick guide to cleaning your chiller evaporator. 1. First, turn off the power and disconnect the refrigerant lines to avoid accidents. 2. Use a soft brush or vacuum to remove any dirt or debris from the evaporator coils. 3. Apply a mild cleaning solution to break down grease and grime on the coils. 4. Rinse with water to remove the cleaner and any leftover dirt. 5. Dry the evaporator thoroughly and reassemble it. Regular cleaning helps prevent system strain, ensures proper airflow, and increases your chiller's lifespan.